There's not much to do when all I can is thinking
Hi
about
guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another haul video. And guess what? It's a Nykaa haul. Oh my god. Like, I guess this is the very first time I'm purchasing something from Nykaa, like basically the makeup products. Preferably मैंने जो last haul shoot किया था, that was from Flipkart. And the experience were not so good, and if you haven't watched that video, go and watch. The link will be in the description box. Let me show you how the box looks like. Look at you. Oh my god, the packaging is so sturdy. If I compare packaging of Nykaa from Flipkart, वो तो ऐसे खुले डिब्बे में आया था. I would rather say that. Seriously, man. So this is how the packaging looks like. Very sealed, very nicely packed. Oh god, let's unbox it. Guys, so the first thing which I've received is this long bill. Nice. Okay, let's leave this apart. And all the items which I have ordered is of my daily use, so I really wanted them. It's not like it was in a bucket list. No, it's just of my use, so I got these. And first item, very nicely packed, must say. And it's bubble wrapped, so well done, Nykaa. And I guess Nykaa is known for this, the kind of packaging they do of the products. Quite good. Okay. Alright, so the first here is the Lotus White Glow 3-in-1 Deep Cleaning Skin Whitening Facial Foam Wash. It's actually cleanser. Like, long story in short, it's a cleanser and काफी छोटा पैकेट है, I got this for 112 rupees. Like, the actual price I will write it over here, but yeah, I got this for 112 rupees. And it's for all skin types. Like, either you have the oily skin or you have the dry skin, it will work. And it says that it will brighten the skin, so I thought, why not, let's go for this one. So this first product is here. The second product I have got is I something is connected with this product. So first of all, let me open this. I really wanted a face wash, like a really nice face wash for a long time now. I have been using like that Clean and Clear face wash since very long, but I didn't like it. It is good for my skin, I'm not saying, but I had a different choice, by the way. So I got this Nivea Milk Delight face wash in rose smell, and it's for sensitive skin. While I was in Aligarh, मेरे पास ये face wash था, so the smell, it, I don't know from wherein, but I will connect this from that memory. Yeah, इसकी वही smell है, okay, and Aligarh वाली. You will be like, Shekta pagal. So the third up is you will be like, तुम्हारे last haul में भी ये था, ये वाले haul में भी ये क्यों? So I have got this Bronson Professional Beauty Blender. जो मेरे पास last time वाला था ना guys, वो खराब हो गया. Like, I got Miniso वाला. हाँ, मेरे पास Miniso का था. Worked pretty well. Like, इतना finely blend करता था ना वो, like आपका makeup or foundation. But I don't think so you will get it on Nykaa. I searched it, but मुझे मिला नहीं. So मेरे को Bronson का मिल गया. I was like, okay, fine. So this is how इसकी packaging is not so good, but the product seems really nice, like really nice. And if you want कि मैं इसका रिव्यू दूँ, like अभी मैं कैसे दे सकती हूँ, I mean मैं अभी तो इसे अनबॉक्स कर रही हूँ. So if you want कि मैं इसका रिव्यू दूँ, so you can connect with me on Instagram. I mean मैं वहाँ पे इसका रिव्यू दे दूँगी on my story, so you can go and check it out, you know. This beauty blender costed me for 160 रुपीज़. जो मिनीसो का है वो भी आई गेस 170 रुपीज़ का था. So if you are buying something from Flipkart, you can just put that Miniso beauty blender in your cart. That is really nice. But I don't know, शायद मेरी गलती थी कि वो you know it's like कि मेरे से खराब हो गया. उसमें actually bacteria evolve हो गया. So no, not for my skin, Baba. So this is how it looks like. The fourth up, and I am very excited for this product. Let me tell you, yes, like I've been craving for this product since a month now. I've been listening to all the influencers which I adore. They have been like quite after this product, and they really gave good reviews. So I was like, why not? Like, yeah. L'Oreal Revital Face Serum. I thought ये at least इतना तो होगा. Look at this. I know मैंने small मंगवाया था. This cost me for 250 rupees. Quite expensive, must say. I just hope it works well. I'm telling you. Like 250 rupees for such a small bottle is. Oh my god, ये तो scam हो गया. क्या है ये guys? What is this? इतना छोटू सा. Oh my god. Smell तो है ही नहीं इसकी यार. इतना छोटा सा. Let's see how it works. And if you want a review, Instagram, go follow this. I had got the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. Like Himalayan waters are like, they are known for cleansing, and it's from normal to oily skin, and it's 100% Ayurvedic. What else do you need? Like see, Biotic के products के बारे में मैंने सुना है काफ़ी, so I thought yeah, let's do this. By the way, this costed me for 175 rupees for this product. Quite good, at least उससे तो सही है, you know. Toner helps, you know, to regenerate your skin and keeps healthy. So, oh my god, the smell, oh, it's amazing. The bottle. यार ये काफ़ी सही क्वांटिटी है इसकी. I will fall for this. Yeah, it doesn't have this pump. How will I do it? अच्छा from with cotton pad. Okay, समझ गई मैं. Nice. Kinda liking this product, you know. Reviewed all the 5 products. I am liking it, all of them, and will review them as said earlier. So go check it out. I guess I will do it the very next day when I'll upload this video. So yeah guys, this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If yes, then please go like, share, subscribe and comment as everyone says. So please do it, and if you like, I'm still repeating, if you haven't subscribed, please do. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Toodles.